370 million years ago, life ventured onto land, unaware of the silent catastrophe brewing. Oxygen-starved oceans, atmosphere-changing plants, and collapsing ecosystems triggered a slow dying. A mass extinction stretched over 20 million years. The seas fell silent as biodiversity faded away, marking a profound loss in Earth's ancient history. 252 million years ago, Earth came closest to dying, facing an unprecedented global cataclysm. Supervolcanoes tore open the crust, releasing lethal gases. The skies dimmed, oceans acidified, and the air itself turned toxic. 95% of species vanished, a staggering loss that reshaped the planet's biological future. Forests collapsed, leaving behind vast, desolate landscapes, and continents fell silent, devoid of the vibrant sounds of life. This was the darkest chapter in the history of life, a stark reminder of Earth's vulnerability and resilience. Our planet has a dramatic history, marked by cataclysmic events that have reshaped life itself. These are the stories of Earth's mass extinctions, moments of profound destruction followed by incredible rebirth. Around 200 million years ago, a pivotal event unfolded. The supercontinent Pangaea began its colossal breakup. This geological upheaval wasn't just a continental drift. It triggered an era of unprecedented volcanic activity. Massive volcanic eruptions, far grander than anything seen today, unleashed torrents of molten rock and vast plumes of ash into the atmosphere. This period, known as the Triassic-Jurassic extinction event, was a crucible of change. The sheer scale of these eruptions flooded the atmosphere with immense quantities of carbon dioxide, drastically altering the planet's delicate climate balance. This greenhouse gas trapped heat, leading to rapid global warming. The consequences were devastating. Ocean acidification and anoxia decimated marine life, while terrestrial ecosystems struggled under extreme temperatures and altered weather patterns. Dominant reptilian lineages, once thriving, began to falter and eventually fell. This mass extinction cleared the ecological slate, creating a vacuum for new forms of life to emerge and dominate. It was a brutal reset, but one that paved the way for an extraordinary evolutionary chapter. In the shadows of this destruction, an unremarkable group of reptiles previously overshadowed began their ascent. These were the dinosaurs, and their rise marked the dawn of the Mesozoic era. For over 135 million years, dinosaurs reigned supreme, evolving into an astonishing array of forms, from towering long-necked sauropods to fearsome predatory theropods. Their dominance was unparalleled, but even the mightiest empires eventually fall. Approximately 66 million years ago, Earth faced another, even more sudden and catastrophic event, the Cretaceous Paleogene extinction. A 10-kilometer asteroid, a colossal rock from space, tore through the sky at unimaginable speeds, hurtling towards our planet. Its impact would forever change the course of life on Earth. The impact site, now known as the Chicxulub crater in modern-day Mexico, became ground zero for a global catastrophe. The force of the collision was equivalent to billions of atomic bombs. Immediately, tsunamis of unprecedented scale smashed into coastlines worldwide, obliterating everything in their path. Firestorms ignited across continents, turning vast forests into infernos. The impact also ejected trillions of tons of dust and debris into the atmosphere, shrouding the sun for months, even years. This impact winter plunged the planet into darkness and cold. Photosynthesis ceased, collapsing food chains from the bottom up. The reign of dinosaurs, which had lasted for eons, ended abruptly in an instant, marking one of Earth's most famous extinctions. Yet, even in the profound darkness and devastation, life found a way to endure. Resilience is a hallmark of our planet's biological history. Small mammals, often burrowing and nocturnal, survived the immediate aftermath. These unassuming creatures, once living in the shadows of giants, were now poised for their moment. Their survival paved the way for a new era, the Cenozoic, often called the Age of Mammals. From these humble beginnings, an incredible diversity of life would once again flourish, ultimately leading to us. Earth has experienced at least 5 major mass extinctions throughout its history, each a terrifying end, but also a powerful catalyst for new beginnings. Each end became the beginning of something new. Today, humanity stands as the newest chapter in this ancient, ongoing story of life and death, destruction and renewal. We are a product of billions of years of evolution, shaped by these very events. The question that looms large, a profound challenge for our generation, is this: will we learn from the past, or will we become the architects of the 6th mass extinction?